What's going on, guys? Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the halogen headlamp bulbs in your F56 Mini. So if you've got a Mini 1, Mini 1 First, Mini Cooper, Mini Cooper S, Mini Cooper D, Mini Cooper SD, John Cooper Works Mini, any of those manufactured between 2014 and 2018, and you've got halogen bulbs as opposed to xenons or LEDs, then this video is going to show you how to replace the halogen headlamp bulbs in your car. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is open the bonnet. And to do that, we go down here, pull it once, pull it again, and there you go. Your bonnet's open, we're ready to replace the bulb. So once we've unlatched the bonnet with the switch inside, there's no catch under here, you can just pull it up anywhere, like so. And now we're going to replace it on this side because it's the same procedure on this side, but it's much tighter over there to get your hand in. So we're going to focus on this side. Okay, so once you've got your bonnet open, what you want to do is go behind your headlamp, and you've got a little cap here, and just twist it that way, and that comes off really easy. Pop it over there for safekeeping. And now you've got a very tight space here to get your hand through. But the good news is you've got a little window here, so you can see exactly what you're doing. So I'm going to pop the camera down. This is going to be out of focus, but I think it's worth it. So the first step is taking this plastic thing off. This is your electrical connector. There's no tabs or anything here that you need to push down, you just pull it out. There you go. And it comes off like that. And then, let me focus, come on. Okay. And now, you've got this little metal catch thing that latches onto this bit here. So you push that towards the car and up a bit. Towards the front of the car and up a little bit. And what this does is it holds the light bulb in place. So once you do that, that comes back. And what we've got here is just the actual light bulb itself. So you just pull that out as so. Now what I've got here is an Osram Nightbreaker laser. And the Mini F56 takes H4 bulbs for the headlamp. And the nice thing about the H4 is it does your main beam and your dipped beam in one. So you only need one bulb for each side. Now I got this for £15 for a pack of 2 on Amazon UK, which is a great deal because this is much brighter, much whiter light than the OEM bulb gave me. So I definitely recommend that. Now to reinstall your bulb, we're just going to use the same bulb. What you want to do is you want to put it in, so it's like that. And what you want is, so it goes in like that. So you've got a tab at the top, left and right, but not at the bottom. So just pop it in back through there. You want to, whoops, pop that down a sec. So you want to make sure this catches down the way so that you can squeeze the headlamp by. Let me make sure. Get away. Okay, so pop it in there. There you go. Now that will balance until where are we? Where's the thing? Too busy looking at the phone screen. Okay, there we go. So you've got this thing here. Pop that back up and switch it over into this little hook there. And then you want to take your electrical connector, and again, you want the input at the top, left and right, not at the bottom. And just squeeze it onto the bulb like that. Again, no need to hold down any tabs or anything, just push it in and that's it. Then all you do is grab this thing. Oh, there we go. And just kind of tricky to get the right groove. There we go. Come on, there we go. Turn it and it'll click into place. And that's you. You're good to go.